welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is a grocery haul. I went to Trader Joe's and did a grocery haul there. I did not film in the store, but I did film when I got back everything that I purchased. But this is the biggest grocery haul that I've done at Trader Joe's. So I had never been to a Trader Joe's as of a year ago when we first got one. It's about a 30-minute drive from our house, but we visited it, and at first I wasn't too impressed. I did pick up a few things, but then I started learning about new stuff to try. We found a limeade drink, not alcoholic, but you can add alcohol to it, that we absolutely love. And then I started learning about some more things that I like, and so we went back just a couple days ago and did some shopping, and I actually found a whole lot of stuff. I ended up buying 11 things, which is the biggest Trader Joe's haul that I've done. So I'm going to show you everything I got along with prices, so stay tuned if you want to see the video. Also, let me know down in the comments below what you get at Trader Joe's, because I would love to try some of your suggestions out. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button to be notified on when I have new content out. Also, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Now let's get started.
I've been trying my best for a while, trying to please everyone who's around me. I've been putting on my fake smile, even though I'm wasting.
So we got a bag of the Bay scallops, and it is a 16-ounce bag, and we spent $8.99. So that's about average, if not like $1 or $2 cheaper than our regular grocery store. So I figure these will be pretty good. We also got some pasta, and I have been picking up 1 or 2 bags of different pastas to try from here. And this is the ricotta and spinach filled ravioli with tomato basil sauce, and it is $3.99. It is definitely not enough for 5 people as a meal. It's more like for a side. If you just buy 1 bag, you would probably need several if you're going to feed it as a main course. We also got this starter, and I don't even know how to say this. I'm not even gonna try, but my husband actually picked this out, and it was pretty good. It was $1.99, and I think you just add eggs to it. We also got this sweet and spicy pineapple barbecue sauce for $2.99, and it was pretty good. We barbecued it on chicken. I love their chicken sausage, and I've had the jalapeno before, and I've had the apple before. You get 5 links, and they have not a lot of calories and lots of protein. And for 5 links, they are $3.99. So they're $3.99 a pack, and so that's pretty good, cheaper than Target on those types. I also went ahead and got these larger ones. I have not tried these. These are the garlic herb. They are the same price, $3.99, so about $1 a piece. And then I had not had the breakfast sausages before. They are maple chicken breakfast sausage, and they're only like 90 calories for a serving, which is 2 links, I believe. I'll flip it over here in a minute. They cost $4.49.
I don't want to be trapped in a box, trying to be like the rest when I'm not. I just want to go my own way, gonna let the past burn down, cause honestly don't want to be stuck in boring conversations with you. I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Next is this ready to bake pizza dough, and I got the garlic and herb one. It cost $1.29, and so I'm really excited to try this and see how the kids like it. But I thought that was neat. I've never seen anything like that before. And I also got these crispy jalapeno pieces, and I have tried these. They are delicious. They are very spicy, but they cost $2.99, I believe. That is all. Oh, and we bought the Half Moon cookies, and as you can see, these are completely gone. They pretty much disappeared by the end of that day. There's only like 8 or 10 in there. That sounds like a lot now that I'm saying it, but those were $2.99. So here's a little snapshot of the receipt. I'll also have the prices popping up, as you could already see. I had those popping up earlier. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much, and I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers. I will see you in my next one. Bye!